Let's kick off with some football news. Mona High advanced to the final of the Manning Cup for the first time in their history, following a 2-1 win over St. George's College in their semi-final contest at Sabina Park. An own goal from Mona keeper Akeem Bernard saw St. George's draw level after an Amarian Thomas opener, but Mona got the winner from a free kick thanks to Denzel McKenzie Jr. in minute 55.
Remember, Mona has a lot of children with disabilities, and to see the smiles and the passion on their face when they were cheering for us this morning, I had a little pressure because I knew we couldn't come out here and fail them. We want them to be proud, be happy, and the boys went out there and delivered for their teammates and their schoolmates, and for the principal and all the teachers at the school. Just proud, really proud of them.
Meanwhile, St. George's College coach Neville Bell says his team was always second best in the contest.
I said when we lost the Champions Cup game, I said no one expected us to be here. It doesn't make it any easier because the closer you get to the trophy, the tougher it is when you lose, and this one is tough. But boy, it's football, you know that. And we'll come again. And I'm not certain we did enough to win the match.
And it's Hydel who Mona will meet in the final after Hydel defeated perennial champions Kingston College on penalties in their contest at the same venue at Sabina Park. It was 2-2 after full time in that match.